Hey everyone, it's Kayla from The Casual Crafter, and this week I'm going to take you along as I decorate a couple small mini trees that I have here in my apartment. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So here I just took this would-be garland, it's 12 feet, that I got from Walmart this year. I believe it's like $5.96 or something like that. As well as that tree topper I also got at Walmart. Now I'm just putting some lights on. I just got this inexpensive set from Target. So I just put on these clear ornaments. I can link up in the eye my ornament video. As well as this ornament that I made. Then I got this pack of ornaments at Walmart, and I'm just going to be taking those red bows off. Again, these ornaments are from Walmart. I made these ornaments. You can find similar videos online. I would have shown these in a video, however, my footage was pretty poor. And a lot of these ornaments I got in a multi-pack at Target in the dollar spot. These ornaments I got at Walmart, and I spray painted them silver. They were originally gold and pink, and I didn't really like those colors. Make sure you check out my ornament DIY video, as a lot of those ornaments I made are actually on this tree, and some will be on the next tree that I decorate as well. So here I just have a 4-foot tree. I got it actually from my grandma, but I believe it was from Walmart originally. It was pre-lit, but the lights stopped working, so I actually went and cut those all off. So we usually put it on this little stool just so it's raised up a little bit. It makes it a little taller as well. I just got that tree skirt at Big Lots last year. These lights I got at Target. I got this ribbon in the Target Bullseye Playground in the fall time. It's pretty thick, like black and white color. I'll have you know, this is my first time putting ribbon on a tree, so it did not turn out the greatest. Some of these ornaments are ones I've had since I was younger, but they're just a few bells and a buffalo check present. And then I got these ornaments at Walmart. A lot of these ornaments you'll see I got at Walmart this year. I made these ornaments. Again, these are from Walmart. And then just putting in some picks that I got at Dollar Tree. They're the ones that have some pine and cotton with them. And I put about 4 of those on my tree. Another pack of ornaments from Walmart this year. A very similar pack as well. And these ones are kind of Rae Dunn inspired. I got those at Walmart as well. I got that ornament in the Target Bullseye Playground this year. I believe it was $1. And then I added a few more ornaments. These are also again from Walmart. And then I just got this tree topper at Big Lots last year as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and like and comment down below which of the 2 trees I decorated was your favorite, or which ornament I put on either one was your favorite. I hope you guys all have a wonderful holiday season, and thanks again. Bye!